Welcome to today's video. If you are using the Bluesky app and want to organize replies on a post for easier reading, this video will guide you through the simple process of changing reply sorting options directly in the app. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, find the post where you want to adjust the way replies are shown. Then click on Edit icon at top right. The app provides three choices. You can select Top Replies first, which highlights the most engaging responses. You can select Old Replies first, which shows the earliest comments in order. Or you can choose New Replies first, which brings the latest responses to the top. Finally, tap the option that best suits how you want to read the conversation. The app will instantly update the replies view, making your browsing smoother and more organized. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.